This is my 4th month using the spoon theory, and tomorrow marks 7 weeks on my 40-week journey to turning 40. So on the 7th of February, I started this journey where I wanted to share my wins and what's working every Friday. And tomorrow is week 7, started on the 7th of February, going to the 7th of November. In the last couple of days, I've just been taking time to figure out how I can use the spoon theory for myself. I purchased a program an e-learning program. So I've purchased a few. So the one was from Terry Savelle Foy with vision boards. And I purchased this for $8 years and years ago, before COVID even. And anyway, so I went online, just changed my password and whatever because I didn't have access to it anymore. And I was looking at that yesterday and I started to kind of go back and say, when last did we dream big? I think since I've been diagnosed with fibromyalgia, since we relocated, we had a lot of massive changes in our lives, and probably all impacting my fibromyalgia, my flare-ups, and all of those things. And I don't think we take enough time to actually get to the roots. So this year has been for me to get to the roots. So I'm kind of going like in a healing journey, helping myself to help other people. And so I just wanted to share this with you today. So I've spent the last couple of days just sorting out my stuff and just getting some organization. Look, they are my earrings, so that you know that I'm fine for the days I wear my earrings. So we sort of frame our memories. So there's a picture of my gran and my cousin and myself on my shelf there. There's a wedding photo of my husband and I. There is a picture of our trip to Phuket in 2012. So here's this little photo. You become what you behold. So this was a photo that I stole out of somebody else's photos of this guy, and I cut it out. Anyway, he is my husband now. So you become what you behold. That is our first sort of wedding that we attended together, and that's the photo. So do vision boards work? Yes. Do you framing your future? So now what I want to do is say to you that framing your future. So what is it that you want for you? So for me, I want a bigger space to live. I want a new bed. I want to just have nice homely things. We relocated and lots of changes happened for us. And I think that was also part of some of my massive flare-ups and burnout and all of those things that they label before my diagnosis. So anyway, so what I want to say today is it doesn't matter how big or small your dreams and goals are. If you think about those little Russian dolls, and we all just have to aspire to or try and lean on and leverage off other people's efforts where it's mutually beneficial. And I think for so long with multi-level marketing and direct selling, I used to help people to achieve those seemingly unattainable dreams and goals. I mean, that's one of the collages there that we've done. So it's a school holidays now, so I'm actually going to be doing some vision boards with my kids. We want to plan big things. And I want to figure out how I can help other people using the spoon theory. So 4 spoons a day, working 2 hours, doing income producing activities to get what you want. And that can be, it doesn't matter what your doesn't matter what your circumstances are or your background. I really do believe that we are born for such a time as this, that we find ourselves in the season that we do for such a time as this. And I just want to be able to take everything that I've learned with making vision boards and showing people how to create vision boards, and then helping you, because I did multi-level marketing and direct selling, and the same principles will apply on any product or any service that you are doing or implementing. So I've got a background in multi-level marketing and direct selling. So now I want to take vision boards and everything I've learned with Terry Savelle Foy and things I used to do for myself to achieve my dreams and goals, but to help anybody to achieve their dreams and goals. So if you have got fibromyalgia, and working for you is becoming more and more challenging because the stress of getting up, you need 4 spoons to just do 2 hours of work. I know that because I've tested this and I know this. And when I started this process in this program, my husband said to me, why don't you just speak about fibromyalgia? Because that's what you have, and this is why you're working from home. And this is why you're doing digital marketing, and this is why you're doing all these things. So why don't you just be authentic and just talk about that? So it has been difficult for me, but I think all the puzzle pieces are kind of coming together. I felt like, wow, the years that I could do amazing sales and lead people and show people and guide people, my confidence was reduced because I was in so much pain all the time. And also not being able to, I mean, I blow dried my hair yesterday, you wouldn't say it, and we went to the shops, like 2 big things. So today I'm feeling like exhausted. But I've created a blueprint for myself, and I want to say, do you have a blueprint? Do you have a dream or goal that's stuck inside of you that you wanting to just figure out how to achieve? So what is it for you? I'm going to be doing vision boards and that with my boys tomorrow. And we're going to be putting London on there. We're going to be putting traveling. We're going to be putting all those things. And it's going to require some effort. And if you've got fibromyalgia or you don't, you still have a limited amount of energy. And you've got things that stress you out. And you might not have a flare up in terms of pain, but you will definitely at some stage experience fatigue. I've got friends, and I've been with women around my whole life and leading them with the businesses that I've been involved with. And if you've got a chronic illness, it's just like you're experiencing that all the time. Yet when you are just doing life, you experience that maybe once a week, once a month. It's not as frequent. So we've got this all the time. So anyway, the spoon theory can basically work for anybody, but you need to know what you want. And then for me to help you, to say, okay, what is it that you do? How is it that I can help you? I've got 2 blueprints. The one that I purchased to figure out how to earn 10K in 30 days. So that's the one that I'm working on, and I will become an expert in it, working 2 hours doing these income producing activities. But in the meantime, I want to say, how can I help you to achieve your unattainable dreams and goals? AI is not going anywhere, and you need an automated system. So yeah, if you want to journey with me, you can comment ready, or you can go to the link in my bio. Successful entrepreneurs leverage off other people's efforts where it is mutually beneficial. I'm so grateful for the spoon theory, and I'm so grateful for the background that I've got, because now I'm willing to just say, choose me, I choose you, and I want to help you. I want to be a hope dealer. I want to be able to just, bring some hope to Fibro warriors, to say that there is more for us. There is more for us. So go to the link in my bio, comment ready, and I will get you the link and show you what I'm doing.